Safari. Loads pretty quickly on my wireless. This is the regular Google page. This is not any sort of mobile page. You can double tap anywhere and it'll zoom into that particular part, and it will allow you to click on a bar like that, and you can begin to type your search term, like I can't type wiki. And you can either hit done to just return to the page without submitting it, or certain pages it has options like this where you can click search directly from there and it will run the Google search, and then you have everything that comes up with that. And this also supports the rotation. You can rotate the page, scroll up and down, double click to quickly move into a certain spot. It also supports the pinching mode, just like photos. And links work just as you would expect them to. You load Wikipedia. Then, it loaded the specific wiki page for wiki. You have your bookmarks. Let's switch this back to this view here. Go back. Bookmarks. We have just the regular sites. Any site should work. The only things it doesn't support are Flash and Java. I have a couple iPhone specific websites here that are designed to work on the Safari for iPhone, and that's the same as the Safari on iPod Touch, so this should work. Facebook has an application here, loads, and then gets rid of the title bar for Safari, and you get everything for your Facebook. You can click on your profile, and you can view everything just as you would on your PC. It still has the call button. It won't work because I don't have the iPhone. You can view your wall, view photos, everything. It's a very nice interface. Other sites that support the iPhone are Jive Talk. This gives you access to AIM, Yahoo, I think, MSN, a whole bunch of other instant messaging clients. And it's saved on my phone as a cookie, or on my iPod as a cookie, the login information, so you can just click login quickly, loads my buddy list, and then AIM's right there. You have everyone there. I can talk to people, talk to myself, click that, say hi, and then hit return. And it looks just like that. Regular sites look just as just good. If you want CNN, loads just like on a PC. You can also rotate that. It's nice for news websites because they're usually pretty wide. Scroll up and down. It's very nice for websites that have this column format because you can double click on a certain part of text and it will automatically widen that column to the entire screen, so it makes it easy to read. You can put it back. Let's see if there's any other bookmarks that are worth showing you. You have your history, just like anything, regular Safari. Nice feature is multiple windows. You can click here, and it brings you to the page where you can hit a new page and it'll load another page, and then you can switch back and forth between them. So here I'll load Google in this one, and now you have the option to close that window or bring up the other window. You can move back and forth by simply clicking to the side of the screen, just like that, and you can bring that one back up just like that. It's a very nice web browser. And we're back to the home screen. A couple of applications left over from the iPhone. YouTube. Obviously only works over Wi-Fi because that's the only radio they have on this. There's featured videos, most viewed, bookmarks, and you can search YouTube. Most of the time, links, if you click on a YouTube link in Safari, it will load the YouTube app and will work. There are some videos that don't appear to want to work like that through a link, so you have to find them manually through the YouTube application itself. But YouTube videos always play in landscape, so if we can, I have a bookmark here, so no matter what, it'll be sideways, and the video will play. Let's get to a part where something's happening. And you can bookmark videos, skip forward, back, pause, change volume, anything you want. Same options up here. There's a fill a screen mode and the regular full ratio mode. So like right now the video doesn't fill the entire screen. You can double click and it will. Do it again to go back. Click once, it brings up all the menus. You can hit done. Brings you back to YouTube. And it'll show you information about the video you just watched, related videos, etc., etc. Go back. Main screen, calendar. I don't have anything in here, but you can change your calendar, and iTunes will import your calendar from whatever calendar application you have for your PC or iCal from a Mac. You can hit today. It'll show you. Oh, it's already on today. But it'll show you a list of all the stuff that I'm not doing today. The whole day. And scrolls just like everything else. Go back. Clock. There's a couple things in here that are neat. First, it opens up in world time. I have Sydney and Chicago. You can add cities. It has a whole bunch of cities pre-programmed. So if you want to say New York, New Delhi, New Orleans. Oh, there's New York. You can click New York and it'll add it. Click edit. I want to get rid of New York because I frankly don't care. And then you're done. Okay. You can click alarm. It has alarms, multiple alarms. Setting the time is pretty fun. There's a nice little slider for that. Snooze. You can change the label for the alarm. Repeating sound. There's a couple different sounds they play over the iPod's internal speaker. They're pretty lame, but they get the job done. You can save. I'm not going to save it because I don't need an alarm. And stopwatch. Just your standard stopwatch. Start. You can hit lapse and it'll record the lapse just like that. And stop. And reset. Very basic. Timer's nice. Same kind of interface as the alarm clock. You can set the timer and it will count down. Very simple. Easy to use. Okay, back to the beginning. Calculator is just that, a calculator. It calculates numbers. We all know that, I hope. That's about it for the iPod Touch. And, oh, there is the sleep button. It'll put it to sleep, so nothing will work here. You can either double tap the home key and it will pop up with a, if you're playing a song, you'll be able to easily change the volume and control the skip to the next track from there. You can also unlock it right from there and it'll go back to whatever you were looking at last. There's also, you just click the sleep wake button again, it'll do almost the same thing, but it won't bring up the controls. And you can unlock just like that. Turning it off, hold the sleep wake button and it says, are you sure you want to power off? And you can say yes and it'll go away. Alright, thanks for watching.